Today I 3D printed this to move the destruction caused by the RC skid steer. While the skid steer is great at toppling towers and stealing objects off your desk, it struggles to move anything more than a couple Jenga blocks, and it does it slowly at best. So after a few quick sketches on CAD, this is what I came up with. You guessed it, a dump truck. I sliced the print files, loaded up some filament, and hit print. Pulling it off the printer and assembling, instead of using 100 RPM motors like the skid steer, I instead used a 300 RPM motor to give us the boost in speed we greatly need. To raise and lower the dump bed, I used a single MG90S servo connected to a 3D printed push rod, all of which is controlled by an ESP32 development board acting as the brain of the project. In order to avoid a rat's nest of wires inside our 3D print, I made a custom PCB that everything connects to and then sits under the hood area. Can't have a dump truck without headlights, so of course I popped those in as well. Taking it for its first test run, it proved to be an immediate success at transporting the destruction left over from the mini skid steer and was able to haul over 15 Jenga blocks.